It's the Carolina Cook, the Carolina Cook, and the Liners.
Orange Chef.
Silence, punk, says I practice my culinary arts. Y'all cheering too loud. I'm starting to get too famous to be out there like this. Let me hurry and get up out of here.
Orange Chef. I am the Chefadant of the United States, Mr. Chefadant, the Iron Chef, the Carolina Cook, cooking the Carolinas. On this episode of the Carolina Cook Show, I will be cooking my version of Indian butter chicken. The reason it's my version is because I don't have all the seasonings. So I gotta do it a different way. Let's go, chef! All right, I guess I'll start by dicing or slicing some red onion.
Cooking is my specialty. Getting dirty in the kitchen like ODB. Turning these groceries into delicacies. The Carolina Cook got the recipe. The Carolina Cook got the recipe. The Carolina Cook got the recipe. It's the Carolina Cook.
Bay leaves. And thyme. And minced garlic. So that's your spread. Bay leaves, thyme, minced garlic, tomatoes, lime, red onion. All right, I got some boneless chicken thighs. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna marinate them for about 30 minutes, sear them off, dice them up, then add them to our butter chicken simmer sauce. Now you can buy your butter chicken simmer sauce pre-made with all of the ingredients added, or you can make it from scratch with some of the same ingredients I just showed you with your onions and tomatoes and all of that, garlic and all of that. Season them up, put them in the skillet, saute them, cook them down, then grind them up in the blender, and it'll get you that nice butter chicken sauce. All right, since I don't have my traditional Indian seasonings, I'll go ahead and add what I have. So I have some ground cumin. I don't go by measurement, I go by feel. Red chili powder. Oh man, hold up, yo. I bought 2 things of cumin. I was supposed to get coriander. Oh man, please tell me I got coriander. Oh man. So I got some coriander seeds here, luckily. Yeah, let's crush some coriander seeds up. All right, coriander, some salt. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little bit of garlic in this marinade as well. You know garlic powder goes in everything. So let's put some garlic powder in there too. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a mix. Oh, and I got yogurt in there. So we're gonna marinate it in that yogurt. So let's marinate that for about 30 minutes. So that's my marinated chicken thighs. Gonna let those do their thing on like a medium-high heat.
specialty. In the kitchen like ODB, turning these groceries into delicacies. The Carolina cook got no recipe. The Carolina cook got no recipe. The Carolina cook got no recipe.
I'm gonna use the same pan with these same flavors in it that cooked off from the chicken. I'm gonna use it to do my sauce in. But let's go ahead and get this chicken cut up.
Just don't stop. Rock and roll to the roll, the rock said I'm cooking in the kitchen. Just don't stop. Cooking is my specialty.
All right, I'm starting my saute on my onions. You can like really brown your onions, but I'm just getting them soft and translucent. Put the garlic in there, release those aromas, then add your tomatoes. Cook those tomatoes until they're soft.
All right, you can caramelize your onions first. I didn't caramelize mine. You know, I just cooked them until a little soft and translucent. Put those tomatoes in there until they're soft. Now, let's go ahead and hit it with some cumin, chili powder, that garlic powder, that salt. Throw those bay leaves in there in that time. A little sugar. More of that coriander. Lime juice. Butter sauce. Turn that heat down, that's a bit much. Cream.
Cooking is my specialty. In the kitchen like ODB, turning these groceries
And just let that cook a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and add our chicken.
recipe. The Carolina cook got no recipe. The Carolina cook got no recipes. It's the Carolina cook. The Carolinas. Rock and roll to the roll. Say I'm cooking.
Now I got it on low. I'm just letting it simmer for a little bit. It's pretty much done.
I'm gonna give y'all some time to look at how that came out before I start digging into it to serve it up.
Cooking is my specialty. Getting dirty in the kitchen like ODB. Turning these groceries into delicacies. The Carolina cook.
All right, I garnished it with some parsley. I'm now stirring that parsley up in there. I also got it garnished with a wedge of lime that you can squeeze in there for extra flavor. And there you have it, and I got to have it. You got that nice Indian butter chicken with the naan bread and basmati rice on the side. So you can dip your bread in there and you can also eat it with your rice. That's that Jerusalem bread, baby. That's that Yeshua bread.
Cooking is my specialty. Getting dirty in the kitchen like ODB. Turning these groceries into delicacies.
Woo, woo, woo.
The Carolina cook got no recipe.
I am the Chefadent of the United States. When I'm not in the Oval Office, I'm in the Oval Kitchen. Thank y'all for watching. See you next time. You don't have to go home, but you got to get up out of my kitchen. You out! All right. So what you think about Indian food, bro?
It's decent, bro.
It's decent.
Yeah, it's decent.